Hey guys, so today we're gonna go ahead and install vz102063 on a 2020 Model 3 Tesla. It is non-LED, full carbon fiber with the 12 o'clock ring in red stitching, and black perforated leather. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and go into the settings of the car and go to safety, and we're gonna power it off. Just for any safety issues, I'll feel more comfortable in doing the install that way. All right, so we're gonna use an Allen key. You're gonna go in through the hole. Okay, this one. And then the airbag is off. All right, so the airbag is now popped off. So we're just gonna go ahead and disconnect the harness from here and here, and then we should be good to go. All right, so take off this harness. You have two clips here. You want to go ahead and compress those to be able to pull it off, and then the whole airbag is out. We're gonna take this one off. It's gonna be the same process. It has the two clips on the side. That's off, and then we're gonna take off the center bolt, and then we can remove the steering wheel and take off the buttons, transfer it over to the carbon fiber steering wheel, and then we should be done. All right, so we're gonna use the HW3/8 to take off the center bolt. So took a little bit of a heat there because it has lock thread. Okay, it's off. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and start taking off the parts from the steering wheel to transfer it over to the carbon fiber. We're gonna take off these clips with the flathead. If you can see, I already took off this one. So this is off, and then we could go ahead and unscrew the bolts that are in there with a T25. All right, those are off now. All right, so you could just use the flathead to start pulling this up. Then boom, it's all out. Now we have to take off this clip right here. And that's it. Everything is off the Tesla steering wheel, and we're gonna transfer it over to the carbon fiber. So I'm gonna reverse back my steps, and I'm gonna start with the clip that goes in here. That's in. And we're gonna press this in. So after you push in all this, you might need like a flathead to try to open this up to put these in. But overall, it's pretty easy. In any case, like if you have a lot of residue of the leather, you could cut off some, like this, and then it should give you the clearance for the 2 holes that you have on that end, just like the OEM one. So if you do notice, the OEM one is cut off, and you're not going to be able to see this because the buttons are going to be covering that area. So now we're just gonna go ahead and put the bolts back on, the 4 bolts, and then press this back in, and then we should be able to go ahead and put it onto the car. All right, so the 4 bolts are in, and we're just gonna press these back into place. And you could double verify by checking out the clips, see that they're all slotted in place. They look good to me. That's it. We're gonna go to the car now. All right, so we're gonna put the steering wheel, the new steering wheel, into the slot. And we're gonna connect the harness back on. We're gonna put the center bolt back on. All right, we're gonna plug in the airbag back on. And let me shut this off again. We're gonna click it in. All right, so that's a wrap. We successfully installed the steering wheel on the Tesla Model 3 2020, part number vz102063. This Tesla right here does have our metallic red, pink on the vinyl, and then it has our aero package, which is the front lip, rear diffuser, rocker panels, rear spoiler, the trims. Now, of course, the steering wheel on there. We'll probably go ahead and do her a pink steering wheel in LED, so that'll be our next video install. Other than that, make sure to like and subscribe, leave comments below, make sure to follow our Facebook groups, our Instagram, and yeah, see you guys next time.